have your attention please? 0, 4, 5, 1, 7 will depart at its scheduled time on 7 hours at platform number 6. Thank you. May I have your attention please? 0, 4, 5, 1, 7 will depart at its scheduled time on 7 hours at platform number 6. Thank you.
যাওয়ার কথা এই তো। Good morning everyone, welcome to Uncharted Miles. So this is a cool windy morning. I'm sitting at the Kalka railway station. Just behind me this is the Him Darshan Express. This is the Vistadome coach, Vistadome train of Kalka Shimla railway. There are several toy trains in this UNESCO heritage rail line. The trains usually start from around 5 a.m. in the morning and there are different types of trains available. And this is the newest one. Most of the people prefer to go by the Shivalik Express that starts at around 5:35 or 5:45 a.m. in the morning. This is a very nice coach, as I'll show you that there are curtains on the window sills, and also the roof of the train has transparent glass covering, so that you can have a great view, especially if you are coming around winter and if it is snowing, then I assume that would be a spectacular view. So this train will take a little more time than the other usual toy trains. Other trains take around 4.5 hours, but this one will take near about 5.5 hours. So I guess next 5.5 hours would be a pretty good, amazing experience for all of us. So it's right now the time is 6:50 a.m. The engine has not yet arrived. I guess by 7 it should start. So we'll talk again once the train starts. Here we go! Feeling very excited. Well, I am undertaking this journey after 9 years, and this feels almost fresh and new to me. Early morning golden sunlight is illuminating the train. You can hear only the train whistle and people chattering around. Anytime, the typical chugging sound of a train feels so nice to your ears, isn't it? Here comes a tunnel. There are 102 existing tunnels in this 96-kilometer route with 18 stations, 912 curves and 969 bridges. Train started running in this track in the year 1903. In the year 2008, UNESCO declared this railway in the list of World Heritage Sites. This is the highway running parallel to the rail track. Lots of tourists prefer to go by car through this road, which is of course a faster option, taking near around 3.5 hours to reach Shimla. As we are gaining altitude, the types of trees and overall vegetation is changing. The wind is also having a chill factor now. We are around, we started the travel at 7 and now it is 8:35. So 1.5 hours travel has been done. Nice sunny morning and one tunnel is approaching. Woo! Lovely atmosphere. is Baroque. Has a legendary story. Yeah. So it is said that the British engineer Mr. Baroque, he started building up this particular tunnel. So he started digging from both ends of that tunnel. But unfortunately, when both the ends, came together, they did not quite meet at the certain point. So there is a little bit of gap, for which the engineering department had to work again, and then finally the tunnel was built. Now, due to this reason, the department at that time, they fined Mr. Baroque with 1 rupee, just 1 rupee. But such was the humiliation for this particular person that he actually committed suicide. So that's a tragic incident, and that's the reason this station has been named after him, and the tunnel is also named as Baroque Tunnel. This is bridge number 226 over a deep valley constructed in 5 stages, with each level having its own stone arch. A definite architectural wonder. Now this is the rail motor with only 14 seats, costs around 800 rupees per head, departing Kalka at 5:15 am in the morning. Finally, we reached our destination, Shimla. Now, this is an interesting technique. The circular track rotates with a toy train engine on it, and with each rotation, the direction of the engine changes. The taxi stand is just outside the station. We will now hire one to go to our hotel. See you all in the next episode to show the Shimla town and all around. Till then, thank you for watching and bye bye.